In this segment, let us see the common communication problems faced by engineers. Engineers are known for the strong technical knowledge. They design systems, solve complex problems, and build products that improve our lives. However, many engineers face difficulties when it comes to communication. These problems do not mean engineers are incapable of communicators. Instead, they often result from the nature of the technical work and training. Let us look at some of the most common communication problems faced by engineers. First is overuse of technical jargon. One of the biggest communication problems engineers face is using too much technical language. Engineers are comfortable with formulas, specification, and technical terms. But when they speak to non technical people, such as managers, clients, or customers, this language can confuse the listener. For example, instead of explaining a problem in simple words, an engineer may use complex terms that others do not understand. This can lead to misunderstandings, wrong decisions, or loss of interest. Good communication requires adjusting the language based on the audience. Second problem is difficulty to explain ideas simply. Many engineers struggle to explain complex ideas in a simple and clear way. They understand the solution in their minds, but translating that understanding into an easy words is challenging. This often happens during presentations, meetings, or client discussions. If ideas are not explained clearly, others may feel lost or unsure. Simple explanations are not a sign of weak knowledge, they actually show strong understanding. Next problem is the fear of public speaking. Public speaking is another common challenge for engineers. Presenting ideas in meetings, conferences, or classroom can cause nervousness and anxiety. Engineers may fear making mistakes, being judged, or answering unexpected questions. Because of this fear, some engineers speak too fast, avoid eye contact, or read directly from the slides. These habits reduce the impact of their message and make the presentation less engaging. The next problem is poor listening skills. Let us see about the listening skill issues faced by engineers. Communication is not only about speaking, it also involves listening. Many engineers focus so much on finding solutions that they do not listen carefully to others. For example, during discussions, an engineer might interrupt, assume they already understand the problem, or ignore feedback. Poor listening can lead to wrong assumptions, missed requirements, and conflicts within the team. Next is lack of confidence in speaking. Some engineers have good ideas but lack confidence when sharing them. They may hesitate to speak in meetings, especially in front of senior staff or large group. This lack of confidence can prevent them from expressing valuable suggestions or asking important questions. Over time, this may affect career growth and professional visibility. Next is weak written communication skills. Engineers often need to write emails, reports, documentations, and proposal. However, written communication is another area where problems occur. Common issues include unclear sentences, poor structure, grammar mistakes, or too much technical detail. If written messages are confusing, they can cause delays, errors, or misinterpretation of instruction. Next is cultural and language barriers. In today's global work environment, engineers often work with people from different countries and cultures. Differences in languages, accent, communication style, and body language can create barriers. For example, what seems polite in one culture may appear rude in another. Misunderstandings can occur if engineers are not aware of cultural differences and communication expectations. Next is difficulty giving and receiving feedback. Many engineers find it uncomfortable to give feedback or accept criticism. They may avoid difficult conversation or become defensive when feedback is given. Effective communication requires open and respectful feedback. Without it, mistakes are repeated and teamwork suffers. Limited focus on soft skills during education. Engineering education mainly focuses on technical subjects. Communication and soft skills are often given less importance. As a result, engineers enter the workplace without proper training in communication. This gap becomes visible when engineers need to lead teams, interact with clients, or explain ideas to a non technical audience. Conclusion. In conclusion, communication problems faced by engineers are common, but they are not permanent. With awareness, practice, and training, engineers can improve their communication skills significantly. Clear communication helps engineers work better in teams, explain ideas confidently, and grow faster in their careers. Technical skills may help engineers get a job, but strong communication skills help them succeed and lead. Thank you.